if you're going to work on any front load wash machines, whether they're LG, Samsung, Kenmore, or any other brand, you need the spring extension tool for the seal spring. There's your seal spring in the groove it's supposed to be in. You're going to have to remove and replace this part in order to remove the front of the machine to do most repairs. So $12.50 delivered to your door from Amazon. This is the tool you need. So if you're doing repair work on any front loading wash machine, whether it's LG, Samsung, Kenmore, or any of the other brands, the one thing none of the part suppliers and most YouTube channels tell you is the main obstacle you're going to face is putting the retainer spring back onto the seal that goes on the front door and connects to the assembly that holds the basket. Now, most repairs to any front loading wash machine, you're going to have to remove this spring clamp, which is not hard to do, and you're going to have to take off this seal and push it back into the machine, because you have to take the front of the machine off to do most of the repairs. The hardest part of any of these repairs is getting this spring clamp back on. And the reason is, when you look at this spring, it is very difficult to extend this spring. There's a special tool you need to do it. I've seen people struggle and fail to get this part back on. So this is the tool you need. And what it does is it expands that spring so that you can get it back on the seal. This tool is available for $12.50 delivered to your door on Amazon. You can search for it, and make sure when you order any parts for repair on a front loading wash machine, you buy one of these tools. Because a lot of people actually break this spring trying to get it back on because it's so hard to expand. They put it in a vise, or they use 2 pair of channel locks or vice grips to expand it, and they destroy the spring. Now when you look at this tool, it has 2 indentations on each side. And what happens is you slip this on and it catches in those notches. So with the spring inserted into the tool, captured by the notches, this is how much the spring can extend and needs to extend to actually put this on the machine. That's why it's so hard to install this part. Now when your spring is installed back on the seal, it's going to look like this, and you can see right in here there's a groove that the spring goes in. So save yourself the problem. Buy the tool when you buy the replacement parts. Please comment, rate, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.